Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about this 2022 DAF XF. We've got some bits in there in the boxes, so I believe we've got the filter box and the pipe and all that, and a few bits, not everything here yet, but guarantee by the end of this video this truck will be finished. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. Today is Friday, first Friday of January, so we'll see how long it's going to take to get it done. But we're still waiting for some bits. That step panel is not here with this rubber. What else? I'm not sure about this. Mud flap is on the front of the wheel. Now shock absorber is not here. God knows what. That corner deflector, the corner piece is not here yet. But I'm going to put this on wherever I can. Then we go from there. So let's do it. Right guys, all done. Pretty much 99% done. I'll say 99 because it's still missing the tray underneath there. That's coming Monday. I think the Ford's later from Spalding, they're gonna take it off the brand new truck, and that deflector what we used it for the other job, just to get it out the door quick. And yeah, they're gonna supply them bits from the brand new truck. It's 13th of January here, so it's not too bad, to be honest, but there's still some bits on the back order, like the shock absorber under there. That was injured, but they can't get one. Can't get one. It's on the back order, obviously. So back order means they don't know when. Yeah, I'm just about to put this stickers on there, and I'm just going to show you the other job what we've got here. We've got this Scania 16 reg Scania here. I stripped it already. It's all the way down the front. Condenser, all these corners smashed up to the pieces, and all down the side. It's hard to tell because it's all stripped now, but all the bits lying on the top here, everything is smashed into the bits, even that and that wheel, even that wheel is injured. So we're gonna get that done. Yes, and I'm gonna show you outside what else is there. Yeah, and I just spoke to Paul, and Assessment just been here, and they might write this off. I'm not sure how, but this is the 71 reg, so it's year old, year and a half maybe, and they're gonna write this off. I think, well, the truck must be still 100 grand to buy it. Well, it must be worth 100 grand, but I don't know why they're gonna write it off. It's hard, but I think they might do it. They might write this off. I'm not 100% sure, but the post says they might do it because it's getting whatever close. But surely we can fix that for 50-60 grand easy, especially when you don't need the cab. But like I said, if you need the axle and all that, that's plenty of money, and exhaust, that's 20 grand with the axle. And this truck here, which I showed you earlier, that's right off. So that's going. That's the 66 reg. Too old, chassis bent, and that's it guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.